Right, today, nice quick and easy video. I have painted another wheel, so my plan is to get the Morris all the way forwards, change the rear wheel on here, which I have already painted, but not in black, and then we'll have a nice look at what she'll actually look like from a side profile, which will be nice, good start to the year. And the other thing I might do today, because it's 3rd January, I haven't started the car this year, so yeah, a little bit of brake cleaning down the car, we'll get it running again. One thing I do want to show you, we'll give them some more spares. Not that, so the camper van. So I've got, it's a bit dented, I've got some chrome wheel trim covers, there's some shiny bits for the headlights, tied to the rope there, the chrome rings that go around the headlights like that. The old wheel, I don't know what you call these actually. These are the bit, like the chrome rings that go around the wheels. And I've got a load of ratchet straps. Warning triangles, plural. Probably a necessity in the Morris Minor. Or anything British of this era, of which I've owned many. We'll get the Morris all the way out and change that wheel over and see what she'll look like. So this is what we got on the front, which is my shiny painted black wheel, which I think works really well with the well, the rest of the car. This is what I was going for originally, which kind of works alright, but it doesn't have the same presence as the black. So I've been repainting them one by one. This one's only taken me about 6 months, I think, to paint. This one actually was my spare. This one was the original white. And it didn't look too bad actually. But like I said, I wanted them all black. This one obviously I'm just going to be able to paint black. I'll take to work with me, paint it black, and put a bit of clear coat on it. So I got my jack. This is my jack handle, believe it or not. I actually lost the jack handle for this one, so I tend to use them to pump it up and to let it down. 18mm socket because it's too dark in there to find my imperial ones, and a screwdriver for carefully, because I don't want to damage the paint. Prying off, this is going to be really loud when I can eventually get in there. So I want to loosen off the wheel nuts, going the right way. Now, they're already fairly loose. Obviously I wasn't planning on driving this anywhere for a while. There we go. So I'm now going on the spring hanger, which I don't know if the camera will focus in the dark. Just on the front of that, so let's give that one a go. Obviously these jacking points are supposed to be used with the original Morris jack, which slides through the hole. I haven't got brave enough to use it yet. I'll keep an eye on this one so this one doesn't slide off. There we go. This wheel's off the ground. There we go, one more. Right. Here we go. do, chuck this. Voila. Much better. Right, so there's only one thing left to do, which is to get her running. I'm kind of hoping she does just start, to be honest. I've been started for a while. There she is. Little bit of my kind of starting fluid. Probably going to like rev her tits off now. Right. Oh. Choke. Choke out. Neutral. Now my switches. Nearly. A bit more starty fluid. And a little bit more choke. Unfortunately, the battery's starting to run out of electricity. Nah, well, she ran. She ran. That's all that matters. I have to bring my solar panel charger out here and charge her up, I think. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the black wheels to the grey ones I had on there, or if you think I should have stayed with the white ones, or if you think I should go luminous green. Maybe not that one. Yeah, and if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button, click the like button, and I'll see you next time.